Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What the f are you doing? What the f are you doing, bro? You're a f***ing cop. You're riding my ass for what, bro? You think you're gonna intimidate me, bro? You, mother. Yeah, go f yourself. Hey, guess what, mother? I got you on video. I got you on video, mother.
That's not the same.
Yeah, I got you on video. What police department you work for?
What?
What's your badge number?
You. Don't let him in. Don't let him in. Go! Keep going! That nigga can't handle the TRX. I am dead. Is that blue card? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, so they was racing.
Turn left.
Yeah, what am I doing? He invented. Yeah, he. Yeah, okay.
He's like, what are you doing?
He's like,
this is so funny. This is
oh, you
where you divided into like what a
idiot!
Jesus Christ.
By a man named Anthony Flacco, called The Road Out of Hell, Sanford Clark Mystery Story of the Murders. It's got very good reviews on Amazon. I don't have time.
Come on, what are you doing?
Looking for facts.
What the f? Go. What the
already off the board based on spring, how he looked at spring, and the length that they gave him in this start. All right, let's talk about a waiver wire pitcher. There's only one that really stood out to me from opening day, and it's
Yeah. Wow. That person needed a double stop sign.
Stop, just come flying out of that.
Oh, okay. Damn, right in front of him. He must have been going in, he was coming out. Damn. Damn, man.
Life vest, 3 board-like things.
Okay, well.
Ah!
Go here.
I just got rear-ended hard.
Okay, where are you? Where are you?
Don't worry about it.
Oh.
Silence. We need to move a giant.
Video locked. Video locked.
What were you thinking? Damn it, mother!
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.